Welcome to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, Earth's most mysterious and majestic wilderness. Home to over 3 million species, it's a living, breathing treasure trove of life. Meet the indigenous communities who've lived in harmony with nature for centuries. From the vibrant poison dart frogs to the elusive jaguar, every creature has a story to tell. Sail the mighty Amazon River and feel the pulse of this untamed world beneath your feet. Explore ancient flora and medicinal plants hidden deep in the jungle's green maze. Ready to venture into the unknown? Your Amazon adventure starts now.